To automatically share your Instagram story as a Facebook story, tap your profile in the bottom right corner. Then tap the 3 lines in the top right corner. Then tap Account Center. Next, tap Connected Experiences. Tap Sharing across profiles. Tap your Instagram account. Then tap the toggle by Automatically Share your Instagram story. By default, all Instagram stories will be shared on Facebook, but when you have your Instagram story open, you have the option to turn it off for each individual story you share. Just hold down your finger on your stories and choose if you want it to share to Facebook. Now, if your Facebook and Instagram aren't connected, watch this tutorial to connect your Facebook and Instagram account. Then come back here and follow the steps again.